Cessna 690 is departing the pattern to the southeast, cloud traffic.
Cloud traffic.
Clear for me too.
Center in 40 kilo, passing over the top of the airport.
We are.
About 1700 feet on 2 miles to the northwest.
Cloud Cessna 72662, entering one-way, departing 18.
Alrighty, so we do have somebody who's going to come over us, but we'll go ahead and start our taxi.
Sounds very good.
Traffic, Cherokee 40 kilo is a mile and a half to the northwest at 1700 climbing. We'll be passing
You have control, you got the pickup. Just feel for that equilibrium. Try to find where that cyclic feels neutral as we pick up. Maybe a little nose heavy, so be prepared to come aft a little bit if need be. A little bit left pedal. There we are. Left pedal.
Trying to get a little bit control here.
Take your time. No hurry.
Cloud Cessna 72662, departing the pattern to the southwest. Cloud.
Hey Mikey, are you on?
Yeah.
Hey, I think I left my phone in there. Actually, I'm pretty positive I left my phone in there. Did you guys find that?
We will be for the lookout.
I think it fell out, guys.
Got a little bit of a tailwind, so it's kind of nice to try to hover a little bit here for me.
Yes.
Getting a little feel for it.
That's one of the regions of LTE, loss of tail rotor effectiveness, is that weathercock stability.
Yeah.
Helicopter wants to naturally weather vane into that wind, so you might have to work a little harder at the pedals.
I am quite a bit here. That's why I'm just going very slow right now.
Oh yeah, take your time. Slow is smooth, smooth is...
Because I start to go forward, it really lifts me up. Okay, we got an aircraft. There.
Cloud traffic 960-906 is lining up for runway 18, Cloud.
We're going to come over here and hold up. Got somebody lining up.
There he is. And just be real careful with those aft movements when we're really low to the ground.
Cloud traffic 365 Sierra Papa, taxiing the runway 18, cloud traffic.
Helicopter 3264 uniform is maneuvering out to runway 18 midfield for departure 18, Cloud. Alright, we'll get ready to go here.
Sounds good.
Whoa.
Center over the runway.
Yeah.
We're going to shoot for 55 knots, 60 knots on the climb out.
Okay, 55.
There's
And
55.
55.
And we'll keep our ascension around 5, 6, maybe 700 feet per minute at most.
Okay.
Cloud traffic 0906 departing the pattern to the southeast, Cloud.
We're at 60 knots, 65. Upwind 18, we have 3 in the green. No warning lights, no caution lights. Carb temp looks real good, plenty of fuel. So we're going to fly.
Accelerating a little faster, so I'm going to pull back.
Oh, that's okay, we can keep the acceleration coming.
Oh, okay, I thought you wanted to stay out on 60.
At or above, at or above. We'll head on over to Lewis. They were using runway 9.